My stomach, it hurts so much.
Emily! Emily, what's wrong?
I can't stand up. The pain is terrible.
What would you do if this happened to you?
Good morning, Ethan.
Good morning, Emily. How are you today?
I'm fine. Just a little tired.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. My stomach felt strange last night.
Strange? What do you mean?
I don't know, just uncomfortable. I can eat. I'm not hungry.
You should eat something, Emily. You need energy.
Lil try. Lil try.
Lie down. Rest. I'll make you tea.
But tea did not help. Nothing helped.
It's getting worse, Ethan!
What's happening? Emily! What's happening?
My stomach! The pain is moving down here on the right.
On the right? Let me see. On the right?
Don't touch it, please! It hurts so much! Don't touch it!
Pain on the right side. This is a sign, a dangerous sign.
Emily, I'm calling for help, now.
I'm scared, Ethan. I'm so scared.
Don't worry. I'm here. I'm right here.
Hello? I need help! My wife is in severe pain! Severe stomach pain on the right side!
Sir, stay calm. Is she breathing normally?
Yes, she's breathing. But the pain is very bad. She can't stand up.
I'm sending an ambulance. Stay on the line. Help is coming.
The ambulance was coming, but would it be fast enough?
The siren was loud.
The lights were bright red and blue, red and blue.
Ma'am, I'm James. Can you tell me where it hurts?
Here, on the right, it's sharp, like a knife.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
No 10, it's a 10!
Almost there. Okay, Emily, just breathe. We're almost there.
Okay. We're taking you to Mercy Hospital. You're going to be okay.
Is it serious? Is she going to be okay?
Sir, we need to get her to the hospital quickly. Please, step back and let us work.
Ethan, don't leave me. Don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you. I'm right here. I'm holding your hand.
The ambulance was fast, but every second felt like an hour.
Coming through! Critical patient! Pulse is dropping! Get the crash cart! Clear the way! Move!
The lights were so bright. Everything was white. People were running. McKeans were beeping.
Emergency stomach pain, right side, age 28, heart rate is 110.
Let me examine her. Ma'am, I'm Dr. Miller. Can you point to where it hurts?
Here, right here. It's killing me.
I see. Hold on.
That's worse when you let go!
That's what I was checking. It's called rebound tenderness. It's a sign.
A sign of what, doctor? What's wrong with her?
Ethan, I need to explain something.
I believe it's appendicitis. We need to do a CT scan to confirm. And we need to do it now.
Right away, doctor.
Appendicitis. The appendix is a small organ. When it gets infected, it can burst. If it bursts, it is very dangerous. Ethan was alone in the waiting room. The clock was ticking. Tick, tick, tick. Every tick was a second. Every second was a year.
Mr. Davis, I have the results.
How is she? Is she okay?
It is appendicitis. The appendix is inflamed and swollen. We need to operate. Now.
Operate? You mean surgery?
Yes, laparoscopic surgery.
It's a common procedure, but we must act quickly. If the appendix bursts, the infection can spread. That would be life-threatening.
Life-threatening?
Sir, I know this is scary, but I've done this surgery hundreds of times. Emily is young and strong. She has a very good chance of a full recovery, but we need your consent.
Do it. Save her, please.
Ethan could not breathe. He could not think. He could only wait. The surgery began. 1 hour passed, then 2 hours. Ethan did not move. He did not eat. He did not drink. He just sat there, waiting.
Mr. Davis?
Emily, is she okay?
The surgery went well. Dr. Miller removed the appendix. It was close to rupturing, but we got it in time. She's in recovery now.
Thank God. Thank God, Meek.
You can see her in about 30 minutes. She'll be a little sleepy, but she's going to be just fine.
The weight lifted. The darkness faded. Emily was alive. Emily was safe.
Ethan.
Emily, you're awake!
What happened? Where am I?
You're in the hospital. You had surgery. Your appendix was removed, but you're okay now. You're going to be okay.
It's over? The pain is gone?
Yes, my love. The pain is gone.
I was so scared. I thought I was going to die.
You were so brave, Emily. So brave.
When can I go home?
The doctor says in 2 or 3 days. I'll be here every minute. I promise.
Thank you for being there, Ethan. Thank you for not leaving me.
I'll always be here. I will never leave you. Remember that. Emily was afraid, but she did not give up. She faced her fear, and she survived.
Remember, even in the darkest moments, you have the power to be strong.
Be courageous. Be courageous like Emily.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.